Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech TV. Today I'm gonna be showing you how to change SoundCloud username. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel if you've not yet. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. You can easily change your username on your SoundCloud account. So in order to do that, first open up your SoundCloud app from your mobile device and now make sure that you're logged in first. From the main homepage of SoundCloud, tap on the hamburger menu or the menu icon at the bottom right hand corner and now tap on the profile icon at the top right hand corner. Right where you can see your profile, give it a tap and tap on the pencil icon from your profile page. Right where it says display name, give it a tap and erase your current name. Change it to something else and tap the save button at the top right hand corner. That is how you'll be able to change your username on SoundCloud. Pretty easy, isn't it? I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.